Hello, today I'm going to conduct some research using ERIC Database. I'm going to be looking for information on my ILA about historical inquiry. I'm going to use the thesaurus and other tools on ERIC Database to help me find the information I need. I'll start off by clicking on thesaurus on the top left of the home page. I have discovered that the thesaurus uses descriptors, which are specific terms created by the designers of ERIC to group similar resources together by topic. Hopefully, I will be able to find what I'm looking for. I'm going to use the search term historical inquiry. Searching for it through the search box saves me having to look through the whole list of descriptors in alphabetical order. Unfortunately, historical inquiry is not a descriptor that ERIC uses. However, there are some other descriptors which relate to my search. So, I quite like historical instruction. I'll add that up into the ERIC search box and let's see what we can find. I have far too many results and I need to narrow it down. I'm going to refine my search using the publication date slider. I'm going to slide it up to about the year 2000. Let's see how many results we get. I only want to search between the year 2000 and 2012. I want to keep it nice and current. Still have too many results. So I am going to use one of the Boolean operators and to also help me narrow my search. From a previous search, I discovered in the thesaurus that elementary education is a descriptor. I am building descriptors upon each other to refine my search. $175 results is a big improvement on 6,000 odd results. So, 175 is still a little bit big. So, on the left-hand side, I'm going to search for just journal articles. So out of my 175 results, I'm just going to look for the journal articles. 119 of the 175 results are journal articles. So, we're getting somewhere close to a reasonable amount of information I can search through. I still think I am going to narrow my search results even further. So, another descriptor I discovered from a previous search is the word inquiry. I looked up guided inquiry, inquiry-based learning, and this was one of the descriptors that it used. So, I'm continuing to build on my descriptors to narrow my search. I have found 18 results, a lovely number of results to search through. As I look through to find relevant information, I notice that one of the search results is a book. Unfortunately, ERIC is not entirely watertight when you look simply for one specific type of resource, and this one has slipped through my Doing history, investigating with children in elementary and middle schools. Now this one seems very relevant. So having read through the abstract, I have realised that it is entirely relevant. Unfortunately, there's not Eric does not provide a link to the book. And when I did search for it in a previous search, it took me to QUT, which was then unable to find the book. So I then used a Google search, which brought me up a Google book version. So I'm able to read the book on the Google website, which has been fantastic, as there's a lot of relevant information that I wish to share with the teacher I am observing for the ILA. As you can see, I have been able to use the thesaurus and a number of the search tools down the side to narrow down my results. Having 18 results now, I am able to read through and find the results which are relevant to my ILA. If I wanted to, I could refine my search even further using the subject box. This allows me to look specifically for articles on teaching methods, inquiry, elementary secondary education, middle school, United States history, and elementary school students. If I want, as I did not, this gives me the opportunity to search for specific subjects and it allows me to do so in a more efficient manner rather than adding rows and using Boolean operators not and or. So that is my search for information on historical inquiry.